Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the ongoing legal battle between Hollywood stars Justin Baldoni and Blake Lively. With shocking accusations, public statements, and a legal showdown looming, the latest developments suggest that a settlement is unlikely. Baldoni's lawyer, Brian Friedman, recently spoke out, claiming that his client has been destroyed by the case and that the only way to clear his name is through a trial. But what exactly is happening behind the scenes? Why is Baldoni refusing to settle? And what does this mean for both stars moving forward? Stay tuned as we break it all down. For those who may not be caught up, this legal battle began in December when Blake Lively filed a lawsuit against her It Ends With Us co-star Justin Baldoni. The allegations were serious, accusing Baldoni of sexual harassment and inappropriate behavior on set. According to Lively, Baldoni engaged in unscripted and unwelcome kissing during filming, made inappropriate comments about his pornography addiction, and even entered her trailer without permission while she was nursing her baby. Baldoni has denied these claims, countering with his own lawsuit against Lively and an additional defamation case against the New York Times for its reporting on the matter. What started as a behind-the-scenes conflict has now turned into a highly publicized legal war, with both sides doubling down on their narratives. Amid growing speculation about whether the two actors could settle before going to trial, Baldoni's lawyer, Brian Friedman, shut down the idea completely. During an appearance on the podcast The Town, hosted by Matthew Baldoni, Friedman made it clear that his client was not interested in a settlement. Baldoni suggested that both sides might want to avoid the circus of a public trial, but Friedman quickly dismissed that notion. He stated that Baldoni has been destroyed by the accusations and that the only way to clear his name is to prove his innocence in court. According to Friedman, in today's world, mere denial isn't enough. Baldoni must actively fight to restore his reputation. Friedman's comments highlight a growing trend in Hollywood scandals. The court of public opinion often delivers judgment long before an actual trial. As soon as Lively's allegations became public, Baldoni faced backlash, with many quick to side with Lively due to the nature of the claims. To combat this, Baldoni took an unusual step. He created a website dedicated to presenting his side of the story. This move raised eyebrows, with some accusing him of trying to manipulate public perception. However, Friedman defended the decision, arguing that the website merely compiles public legal documents and ensures that Baldoni's perspective is accessible. The minute the New York Times story came out, Justin was done for all intents and purposes, Friedman explained. There was no side that he had in this. There were no facts that were on his side. It was really important to come out with real, true facts. Lively and her legal team have not remained silent. In response to Baldoni's countersuit and public campaign, Lively added a defamation claim to her lawsuit, further escalating the legal battle. She also accused Baldoni of orchestrating a smear campaign against her, allegedly with the help of a crisis PR firm. In an effort to strengthen her case, Lively's team even sought subpoenas for cell carriers to obtain records that might support her claims. However, the judge denied this request, a small setback in an otherwise aggressive legal approach. One of the latest developments in the case is the court's decision to grant Lively a protective order. Her team had requested a gag order to prevent Baldoni from leaking private conversations between her and high-profile individuals who may have witnessed inappropriate behavior on set. Judge Louis Lyman approved the request, but with limitations. Confidential information will remain protected, but an attorney's eyes-only designation will only apply if disclosure could cause significant business, commercial, financial, or privacy injury. Essentially, while Baldoni is restricted from publicly sharing certain details, Lively's concerns about leaks weren't fully addressed by the court. This decision ensures that both parties still have room to strategize before the trial. With the trial date set for March 2026, there's still a long road ahead. Both sides are expected to continue filing motions, gathering evidence, and preparing their arguments. For Baldoni, proving his innocence is his top priority, while Lively is focused on holding him accountable and ensuring that her version of events is recognized. The impact of this case extends beyond just these two actors. Hollywood has seen a wave of similar high-profile legal battles in recent years, with public opinion playing a significant role. Whether Baldoni can recover from these allegations or whether Lively's claims will hold up in court remains to be seen. So, what do you think? Is a settlement really off the table, or could circumstances change before 2026? And how do you feel about the role of public perception in cases like these? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates on Hollywood's biggest legal battles. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.